What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video, we're actually up here just inside Tennessee for the 2024 Hillbilly Hot Rod Show put on by the Grave Robbers. What's going on? You doing right today? That's what's so cool about YouTube is people just photobomb you, which is cool. Appreciate that. Oh, man. So, yeah, I come up here last year and I think there's a whole bunch more people here this year. The weather is perfect out here. There's no cloud in the sky, where last year there was a lot of rain kind of forecasted, and I think that kind of helped hinder some people from coming. So let's walk around and see what all kind of cars we have up here at this event. So that's one thing about this show is not only do they have cars and trucks, but they have bikes, big rigs, and I know last year they had some campers out here. They may still have some, I just haven't got over there to them, but let's keep walking around. All right, y'all, this couple right behind me owns this little camper that y'all just looked at. Can y'all tell me about it?
It's a 47 slumber coach. It's all original, with original refrigerator, original stove. Sleeps two people if you like each other. And anyway, it's very easy to pull, and we just loved it. My wife loves to decorate it. As you can see, she's not got it fully decorated right now, but when she does, it's real pretty.
Is it originally all wood like this, or did y'all put the wood on there?
The new wood was cut from the old pattern that was not in good shape, so it had new wood cut by the original patterns.
Okay, so it was all original wood.
Yes.
Okay, cool. That I've never seen one wood like kind of like the old woody trucks and everything.
Yeah.
That would be cool if y'all had a woody truck to go along with it.
We used to have a Woody car called a 10 Woody, a 51 model, and we'd put this behind it, and it really looked good together, but we don't own that car anymore. So.
Gotcha. Have y'all owned this for a long time, or?
The camper we've had, what, about 10 years? At least 10 years. And then the car not as long.
Okay.
So we haven't had a chance to get a hitch put on it yet.
I got you. Okay, well, cool. Well, appreciate y'all telling me about it. It's pretty cool how on this truck that they just put a little rust sealer over it and left the rust on there. You know, they just kind of sealed it so it doesn't keep rusting, but that's pretty cool. That's kind of unique. All right, y'all, so this gentleman right behind me is one that owns this Spider-Man themed C8 Corvette. What can you tell me about it? Like, what was your inspiration? Are you always been a big Spider-Man fan?
No, I'm not even a Spider-Man fan.
Oh, wow.
And that's the wildest thing, but what happened when I bought this car, I did red and silver striping that's on it. Now, I started going to a lot of car shows and people said, that's a Spider-Man car. I said, no, it's not. And they continued saying that, and I told my wife, I said, you know, I'm going to change my car to a Spider-Man theme. Gonna cost money? I said, you know it's gonna cost
Oh, yeah.
money.
Anything
so
custom.
Anyway, we just started going. I did it gradually and all, and got it to the point it is. And one good thing I like about it is kids love it.
Right.
And that means a lot to me that kids enjoy it. and maybe they'll think, hey man, you know, I can get me a car and fix up like this,
That-
and it means a lot.
Right, and that's one good thing about car shows and stuff like that is that you want to bring kids into it to keep it, you know, going for the next generation and everything, you know, because if the kids don't get involved in it, then it's kind of like I was just saying a while ago, we lose it. It's
gonna
gone.
die out. And the thing is, also one of my favorite awards I've gotten is a Children's Hospital Award.
Oh, wow.
It was picked by a sponsor in Birmingham, Alabama at the MAC show.
Oh, cool. That's cool.
And I thought, hey, that's great, you know,
Yeah.
because of the theme I had on the car. You know.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, I've not really been a huge Spider-Man fan, but, you know, I know of the Spider-Man with everything, you know, all the movies and stuff, so I thought it was pretty neat. I appreciate you telling me about it.
All righty, I appreciate you asking me about it.
Yes, sir.
You have a good one.
Yes, sir, you too.
Vote is 200 votes. Only vote once. I have did this before, and I have kids that just get vote and vote and vote for their parents.
No, you good. I just want to give it one single one.
So the kids' choice. Five, six.
All right, y'all. So it's been a pretty good event. I just got done eating some ribbon fries. Here in a minute, they're actually going to be doing the trophies for all the people that have registered. So let's look and see who all wins these trophies. Because these are some pretty cool trophies, as you can see.
But this is our top 25. And if I miss your name, I am sorry. Entry number 71, Kenneth Hickman, 1966 Chevelle. S. Paint. Entry number 202, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, Jerry Hooper. auction this one more time. I think they deserve it for what they did for us. TNT Farms. West.
All right, everybody. Well, that is the conclusion of this car show. I had a really good time. Like I said, there was a little over 230 cars, I think I heard, and they raised a good bit of money for St. Jude. So that's pretty good for that many cars. And you know, I imagine they raised at least $20,000 because they had over $1,000 in the 50-50. And there was several just silent auctions and auctions, so they raised a good bit of money, which is good for, you know, a good cause and everything. But like you said, you know, if y'all are here in the local area, y'all come on out next year. They always have it usually about the second weekend of August, and you know, like I said, it was a pretty good time. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And y'all let me know if y'all have been up here to this car show, or if you're here local to, you know, just on the inside of Tennessee, Central Tennessee. You know, it's a pretty good event, like I said. So until the next video, always take this center, and I'll see y'all then.